You struggle to learn Russian? Because I'm going to teach you a totally different way, and I'm not even fluent. So what I'm going to do is a couple things. One, experiment, because I made a couple of videos, and although it was not my primary content, people said they liked the way I explain things. I'm a former professional presenter for Microsoft, so I know how to take complicated things and distill them down into simple to explain manners. So I'm going to start off with just making these videos. Later on, I'll produce them better, and I might turn into an app or website or something. For now, I'll put them in playlists. So what's going to be different about this? Well, first of all, if you use apps like Duolingo or any of the apps out there, they try and teach it from a very neutral standpoint. They don't care if you're coming from German or French or Chinese. They teach you Russian the same way. And they don't explain things along the way. It's immersion, but sometimes you want somebody to explain things and it doesn't explain it. If you hire a teacher, that's great too. But the thing I found is most teachers are Russian natives, which is fine. I mean, it's great to have a native, but sometimes when you're learning the basics, it's best if you don't have a native, because what happens is they're going to explain from a Russian point of view, which is not the same coming from your point of view. So I'm going to focus exclusively targeting an English point of view teaching Russian. And when we get to the advanced parts, that's when I get to the advanced parts, and I'll teach you as I go. But I know the basics. I'm conversational. I can't call it fluent. I live in Russia. I first moved here 2001, 2004, and I was gone for 20 years and came back. So that's going to be different. I'm targeting from a English speaker's point of view. I'm going to keep the videos very short. For now, I'm just going to have my playlist, and then later on, I'll organize them. So if you have questions, drop it down below. Otherwise, check the playlists, and let me know if you like my approach, because it's going to be different. And I'll try and make it fun as well. I know everybody says that, but, somehow all the courses I've tried. And another thing that I want to say real quick too is I have a lot of friends here in Russia that some of them studied Russia for years before they came to Russia. Some even 3 or 4 years in college. And they can read a bit, but they can't converse. They can't carry on conversation. So it's like a lot of Russian courses, not just Russian, but language courses. I had 4 years of Latin in school. They focus on the grammar. I'm going to focus exclusively on communication so that you can read and you can talk. And of course, we'll get to the grammar later, but let's focus on just being able to communicate.